Hey, how's it going? Alright, this is a quickie for you. Hawaiian Toasties. These are awesome. Okay, if you got normal sliced ham, use normal sliced ham. I've got leg ham left over from Christmas, so I'm going to use the leg ham. So sliced ham, tomatoes sliced really thinly, mushrooms sliced really thinly, spring onions sliced really thinly. I've got canned pineapple at the moment. They're the chunks, but I'll slice them all really thinly. I use a pasta sauce, any tomato-based pasta sauce that you've got. If you haven't got it and you've got tomato paste, you can use a little bit of that. And some grated cheese. I'm just using cheddar cheese today, but if you've got pizza cheeses or anything like that, you can put any cheese you want in it. Alright, let's do this. Some more cheese. I never said these were good for you. I just said they were awesome. Okay. Away we go. Alright, now we pick them up like this. Pick that one up off of the top one off the bottom one. And put it straight on a toasty maker. Check these little babies out, eh? Oh, they're so nice. Oh my god. Wait, thanks heaps for watching. Have yourselves an awesome day. I'll be back. See yous. Bye.